Hello everyone, you all are welcome back again to my channel once again. Let's make ginger honey biscuit together. So let's start by adding the butter into the mixing bowl. Make sure you are using soft butter. Then use your wicks to mix until it becomes creamy. Then add your honey. If you are using honey, there is no need of adding sugar. This honey will serve as a sweetener, but if you don't want to use honey, you can also use brown sugar for this recipe. Then use your wicks to properly mix together. Then add your flour, and next add a teaspoon of ginger powder. Then add a pinch of salt and also baking soda. Then use your spatula to mix until you form a dough. So once you've properly formed a perfect dough for your biscuit, then place a baking sheet on a clean dry surface. Then transfer the dough on the baking sheet. Then use your rolling pin or your palm to flatten the dough. After you are done flattening the dough, use a cookie cutter to cut the dough. You can also use a round shape container to cut the dough like I'm doing on this video. So since I don't have cookie cutter available in my kitchen now, I'm going to be using this my spices container to cut the dough into a round shape. After cutting the dough, remove the excess dough around the cut dough. Then spread a baking paper on your baking tray. Then arrange the cut biscuits or cookies on your baking tray. So next I'm going to use this pasta to make a design on the biscuit or cookies. I'm not 100% sure if design is going to be visible after baking the biscuit, but let's just try it and see how it will come out. Make sure you preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes before baking, then bake for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, this is what my ginger biscuit looks like. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, also like and share this video. See you all on my next video. Bye.